President Donald Trump proposing ways to lower mortgage rates without waiting for Fed cuts, including a $200 billion purchase of mortgage bonds.
Scripps News Group Maura Barrett examines whether the move could actually make home buying more affordable.
President Donald Trump outlining his proposed policies to make homeownership more affordable during his recent address at the World Economic Forum.
Homeownership has always been a symbol of health and vigor.
The housing market has been in a slump since 2022, when high mortgage rates collided with years of skyrocketing home prices. In an effort to lower rates, Trump directed Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, both government regulated, to buy $200 billion in mortgage bonds.
Directly manipulating mortgage rates is not really something they've done much of before, so this is sort of new.
Joel Berner, a senior economist with Realtor.com, explains the goal of the purchase is to force interest rates down by increasing demand for mortgage-backed securities. It's aiming to reduce what's known as the mortgage spread, the difference between the 10-year Treasury yield and interest rate on a 30-year mortgage. Why does that matter? Spreads widen during times of economic uncertainty. A narrow spread creates more confidence in the market.
So what they're doing is just increasing demand to squish that margin down and allow for mortgage rates to fall.
Mortgage rates are down, hovering just above 6%. Berner says it's hard to know for sure if the move will create long-term impact.
It really depends on how the market perceives the move. If they perceive it as Fannie and Freddie are going to become long-term holders of mortgage bonds, then it's entirely the case that mortgage rates might sustain lower. If they think it's a one-time pop, then it might just be a short-term dip in rates.
The president also taking steps to ban large institutional investors from buying more single-family homes.
Homes are built for people, not for corporations, and America will not become a nation of renters. We're not going to do that.
That proposal also met with some skepticism.
Even if you were to ban these really large investors, they would probably be replaced by smaller investors. It's not necessarily going to open up inventory for first-time home buyers.
Maura Barrett, Scripps News Group, Denver.